Hello traders! In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to delete the IP history of your Forex VPS from remote desktop on your computer. This is especially useful if you're using a shared device or simply want to clear up old connection records. First, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run window. In the Run box, type regedit and press Enter to launch the Registry Editor. There are two ways you can locate the remote desktop IP history. The first method is by using the search function. Simply press Ctrl plus F, then type Terminal Server Client and hit Find Next. The system will start searching for the folder. Alternatively, you can navigate manually by going to HKI Current User greater than Software greater than Microsoft greater than Terminal Server Client. Once you reach the Terminal Server Client folder, open the folder named Default. Inside, you'll see a list of IP addresses labeled with MRU, which stands for Most Recently Used. These are the previous VPS connections saved by Remote Desktop. To delete a saved IP address, just right-click on each MRU entry and choose Delete. When prompted for confirmation, click Yes. Once all entries are deleted, try opening your remote desktop again. You'll see that the VPS IPs are no longer listed. A little note: deleting the IP history must be done directly on the device where the connection was saved. However, if you want to do it remotely, you can still use remote access tools like TeamViewer or AnyDesk to connect to the target device and follow the same steps. And that's it. Simple and clean. Good luck and happy trading! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from it too. See you in the next tutorial.